10 students got the following percentage. The following percentage of marks in two subjects X and Y. Compute their rank, correlation, coefficients. Okay. Here marks in X, marks in Y. Okay. Then 78, 36, 98, 25, 75, 82, 90, 60, 62, 65 and 39. Okay. Then here 84, 51, 91, 50, 58, 62 and 86, 58, then 53, 47. Okay, write the marks. Here, observe here, what is the difference between previous problem and this problem? Previous problem, judges rank is given, correct? Previous problem, judges rank is given, but in this problem, percentages are given. Marks in X, percentage is given, and marks in Y, percentage is given. Okay, we need to assign the rank. Okay, but previous problem already is assigned the rank. In problem 1 is assigned the rank. In previous problem, okay, 10 competitors. Okay, in that problem, rank is already assigned. But in this problem, rank is not assigned. We need to assign the rank. Okay, write the problem. Complete the question. Completed. Okay, here write down here marks in X. Completed now. Shall I start the problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Then marks in X write down. Marks in X 70, 78, 36, 98, 25, 75 and 82, 90, 62 and 65 and 39. Okay, 78, 36, 98, 25, 75, 82 and 90, 62 and 65 and 39. Okay. Then we have to write the rank of X. We have to identify the rank. Okay. Then observe here, we have to identify the large number. Okay, here in this data, which one is very large number? Yes, 98 is large number. Okay, we are assigning 98 is a first rank. Okay, we are assigning 98 is the first rank. 98 first rank. Okay. Observe here, this is we are writing 98 is first rank. On 98, after 98, 90 is the second greater. Okay, 90 we are assigning second rank. Okay, 90 is second rank. Understood how to identify the rank here? Okay, first we have to identify large number here. In this data, large number is 98. Okay, 98 is 1. Then second large is 90, second rank. And after 90, 82. Okay, here observe here, 82 is the third rank. 82, after 82, okay, 78, 78 we are giving fourth rank. Okay, after 78, 75. Okay, 75 we are giving the fifth rank. 75 we are giving the fifth rank. And after 60, 75, we have to take 65. We have to take 65. 65 is a sixth rank. 65 is the sixth rank. And 62 is the seventh rank. 62 is the seventh rank. Then after 68, 39, 39 we are assigning the 8th rank. Then 36, 39 after 36 is large, means we are assigning 9th rank. Okay, then 25 is the last number, we are giving the 10th. Okay, 10th rank. Understood? Any doubt? How to assign the rank? 90, observe the data, which number is very large? Okay, 98 is large number, then assign the first rank. 90 is the second large number, assign the second rank. And next is 82 is a third rank, 78 is a fourth rank. Okay, 78 is a fourth rank. Then come to 60, 75 is a fifth rank, 65 is a sixth rank, and 62 is the seventh rank. Okay, then after 68, 39 is the 8th rank, 36 is the 9th rank, 25th is the 10th rank. Then understood now, Smaran?
Yes, ma'am.
Then take down y value, mass in y value. Mass in y means 84. Okay, here 84, 51, and 91, and 60, and 68, and 62, 86, 58, and 53, and 47. Okay, 84, 61, 91, 60, 68, 62, 86, 58, 53, 42. Okay, then assign the rank here. Okay, rank of y. Okay, rank of y here. 91 is a large number. Observe here, 91 is a large number. Assign the first rank. After 91, which number is larger number? After 91, anyone can answer the question? Anyone? Okay, we are assigning 91 is the first rank. After 91, 86. After 91, 86 is the second rank. Then 84 is the third rank. After 84, 70 term is not there. 84, after 84, 70 term is not there. Then 66, check the 60 series. 68 is there. So take down 68 is fourth rank. 68 is fourth rank. After 68 is fifth rank. Okay, fifth rank. The next one? 58 is okay, 60 is there now here. After 62, 60 is there. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th rank. And after 58, this is 7th rank. 58, after 58, 53 is a 8th rank. Then 51 is ninth rank, and the 47 is 10th. 47 is 10th. Okay, rank of 5 is this much. Okay, then next d is equal to x minus y. Do it. D is equal to x minus y. Means 4 minus 3, 9 minus 9, 1 minus 1, 10 minus 6, and 5 minus 4, 3 minus 5, and 2 minus 2, and 7 minus 7, and 6 minus 8, and 8 minus 10 is equal to minus 2, 0, 0. Okay, here 4 minus 3 is 1, 9 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 10 minus 6 is 4, 5 minus 4 is 1, 3 minus 5 is minus 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, then 7 minus 7 is 0, 6 minus 8 is minus 2, and next is also minus 2. Then do the d square. D square is equal to x minus y square. Okay, that is 4, 75, 50, 64, 64, 80, 75, 40, 55, and 64, and 64. Y. Okay, here rank of x we have to write rank of x. Observe here, large number is 80 here. Large number, observe here, large number is 80. We have to assign the first rank, then second rank after 80. After 80 here, observe here, 75 and 75. 75 and 75 is larger. Okay, here 75 is repeated 2 times. Okay, means 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Okay, what we have to do means here, I will write the sentence here. Here, write down this sentence here. Here, in x, the magnitude 75 is repeated twice. Okay, repeated twice for rank 2. Okay, and then the average of the rank, rank of 2 and 3. Okay, here observe here 2 times are repeated. Already one first rank is we assigned 75 and 75. 2 marks are repeated. 2 and 3 we have to take the average here. Add here 2 plus 3 whole divided by 74. 75 means 75 repeated 2 times means 2 plus 3 divided by 3. If it is 75, it is 74. What we will do here? This rank will 2, this rank will 3. But here 75 is repeated 2 times now, means 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and divided by 2. 2 plus 3 divided by 2, we are getting 2.5. Means this rank is 2.5 and also this is 2.5. Okay, understood this one? 75 is repeated 2 times. Okay, already first rank is we assigned. So 2 and 3 ranks we have to assign. 2 and 3 we have to assign. Do it 2 plus 3 divided by 2. 2 plus 3 divided by 2 means 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5 means 75 is 2.5 and 75 2.5. Okay, then next 80 is first rank, 75 is 2.5. Then after 75, 68 is repeated only one time. Second and third is over. We have to assign the fourth rank. We have to assign the fourth rank. Then after 68, 64. Observe the 64. 64 first one and second time and also third time. 64 is repeated 3 times. Okay, what we have to do here? in x the magnitude. This part you have to write in x the magnitude 64 is repeated thrice for rank 5 and then the average rank of, okay, observe here 64 is repeated 3 times. Already we assigned 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have to take 5, 6 and 7. Average we have to take. Okay, average we have to take. Okay, rank of 5, 6, 7. We are writing 5, 6, 7 is equal to 5 plus 6 plus 7 divided by 3. Okay, it will come 18 by 3 means 6. Okay, 6. 64 we have to assign the 6 here. 6, here also 6. Last 64 also we have to assign the 6. Understood, Chandan? Any doubt in this one, in this concept? Alright, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next, after 64, after 64, 55. 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then 8. Okay, 5, 6, 7 already over. We have to 55. Take down 55. 55. We have to assign the ranking. We have to assign the rank 8. Okay, 55 is the 8. After 55, 59. Then last one is 40. We assign the rank 4th one. Okay, then take down y mark. Here y is 52, 58 and 68 and 45 and 81 and 60, 68, 48, 50 and 70. Okay, then assign the rank here. Rank of y. Okay, observe here. Whatever 62. Which term is highest here? Which number is larger here? 81. Here 81 is larger. We assign the first rank. After 81, observe here 81 in 70. Okay, 70 is second rank. 70 after 70, 68 is, observe here 68 is not repeated. Oh, 68 is repeated 2 times. Okay, 68 is repeated 2 times here. Write down the, you have to write the theory part in 64, 68. Here on the right here. In 68 is repeated 2 times. Okay, for rank already 1 and 2 is assigned. 1 and 2 is already assigned. Okay, then 68 2 times means 3 and 4. 3 rank 3 and then average of rank and then the average rank of 3 and 4. 3, 4 means 3, 4 we are writing 3 plus 4 divided by 3. 2. Here only 2, no, 2 times repeated. 3 plus 4 divided by 2. 7 by 2 means 7 by 2 is nothing but 3.5. Okay, means 68 we have to assign 3.5 and also 3.5. After 50, after 68, 62 62 we will assign 3, 4 is over now, 5th rank. And 62, 60 means 6th rank. After 60, 68, 7th rank. 68, after 58, 50. Okay, means 8th rank. Then 40, 9th rank. 45, 10th rank. Okay, understood? Any doubt in this one? How to assign the rank? Sushala, any doubt? Akshita, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then D is equal to x minus y. Find out D. D is x minus y. 4 minus 5, then 6 minus 7, 2.5 minus 3.5, 9 minus 10, 6 minus 1, 1 minus 6, then 2.5, say 5, 7, 3.5, 10, 1, 60, 68 is 3.5. Okay, 50 is, okay, once again do it here, rank of 5 here, 81 is first ranker, and second rank is 70, then here 68 is repeated 1 and 2, means 3 and 4, means 68 is 3.5, okay, so 68 is 3.5, then after 62 is 5th, 62 is 5th, then next 60 is 6th, and 58 is 7th, correct? Then next 58, after 58, 50, after 50 is 8, and after 50, 40 is 9, 40 is 9 here. Okay, 48 is 9, then 45 is 10. Okay, means here 2.5 minus 3.5 is equal to 9, 4 minus 9, then 8 minus 8, 8 minus 8 is equal to, then next 6 minus 2 is equal to, 4 minus 5 is minus 1, 6 minus 7 is minus 1, this is 2.5 minus 3.5 is minus 1, 9 minus 10 is minus 1, 6 minus 1 is 5, 1 minus 6 is minus 4, 2.5 minus 3.5 is minus 1, 4 minus 9 is minus, here also 40 is the 10th rank, 40 is the 10th rank, okay, 10 minus 9 is 1, 8 minus 8 is 0, 6 minus 8 is 4. Then do the d square here. D square is 1, 1, 1, 1, 25. Okay, 25, 16, 1, 1, 0, 16. Okay, then completed now, write down. Then next we need to find the correlation, rank of correlation coefficient. Okay, we are using the second equation. We are using the second equation. Because here m value is there, no, we have to substitute the m value also. Completed table? Square is what? Summation of d square is 72, okay? Then write the formula. Rho is equal rho 1 minus 6 into summation of d square plus m into m square minus 1 whole divided by n into n square minus 1 plus so on whole divided by n into n square minus 1, n into n square minus 1. Okay, here n is equal to 10. Then we have to use this formula means rank is repeated. That time we have to use this formula. Rank is repeated. Okay, rank is repeated. That time we have to use this formula. Okay, then 1 minus 6 into summation of d square is what here? 72. Okay, summation of d square m. First to take down m is equal to first is 2 is there and m is equal to after 3, then m is equal to correct now 2. In x m and 2 is there, m is equal to 2 and 3. In y m is equal to 2. Okay, then 2 into 2 square minus 1 divided by 10 into 10 square minus 1. Then next to m is take on m is equal to 3 here. 3 into 3 square minus 1 divided by 10 into 10 minus 10 square minus 1. Okay, here n is equal to 10 now. Then next plus plus 2 into 2 square minus 1 divided by 10 into 10 square minus 1. Okay, then whole divided by whole divided by 10 into 10 square minus 1. Then simplify 1 minus 6 into 72. Okay, what will get here? 2 square minus 4 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6 divided by 12. Okay, here we are getting 0.5. Use the calculator, simplify. Next is next is 2. Then plus 0.5. Okay, whole divided by 990. Then simplify, you get it 0.445. Rank is 0.545. This is the required solution. When we have to use this formula means when rank is repeated, that time use this formula. If 2 times is repeated, m is equal to 2 take down. In first rank, observe the marks in x. Okay, one mark is repeated 2 times. Okay, that is 75 is repeated 2 times, means 2. And in that table only, 64 is repeated 3 times, means m is equal to 3. And come to marks in y. Marks in y, here 68 is repeated 2 times, means we are taking 2. Okay, then simplify and use the calculator, simplify, you will get the final answer. Okay, any doubt in this one? Any doubt? Then module 4 is completed. Then tomorrow I will start module 5. Any doubt in this problem?
No, ma'am.